Our last day in Tramore meant the weather did not exactly play its part, so we had to make do with some miserable conditions. Hello!
Much better. Look.
My wife has become a photography perfectionist. Isn't that so?
I don't know.
Hey? You don't know. Hey? I don't even have to take the photos now because her photos are better than mine. It takes a load off. Hello! That's a don't talk to me wave. Don't talk to me. Tramore Tennis Club. The nature photographer.
Hello!
I was gonna talk first.
You always talk first.
Oh yeah?
We're on a beach in Ireland! It is, well, it's not rainy, it's beach spray, but it's a cold day.
Yeah.
It's a dull day.
Come stand here. Hey. There's the beach.
Yeah.
And let me not fall.
Maybe not step on my toes.
You say I'm always stepping on your toes.
Yeah, you always step
oh,
on my toes.
Anyway, we're supposed to have a positive, inspiring message, but
We're on a beach in Ireland.
And I'm stepping on her toes. In a cave in Tramore. Very small cave, but a cave nonetheless. And Farryn's off collecting stones. Yeah? Hey, you didn't make the ocean, sorry. Can you try and make the ocean this time? Did you make it?
Yeah.
Well done. Hello! On a beach in Tramore. A stony beach. About 10 degrees. Wind and fine rain. Feels like we're stepping into a different time here. Hello.
Hello.
How's it?
Good.
I'm back.
Can we go to the pub now?
Okay. I was quite fascinated by this path from the lower level by the bay area, taking you up to the much higher road that takes you to the cliff tops. Hello. At high tide here, I'd be underwater. There's a 4 meter difference between the tides, which is massive. In spring tides, at spring tide, um, in Scotborough, there's a difference of about 1.3 meters. So incredible. Uh, that's the path I took down here. It was a bit slippy, but I made it. On this beach in Tramore, you can only get here during low tide because up to about there, the waves come up during high tide. So you got about a 1 hour window to reach here. But it's well worth it, I would say. Little caves like that. So it looks like this was along the recommended path once upon a time. Maybe not too long ago. Because look, there's some stairs that kind of lead nowhere. Got to figure that the rest of it just collapsed. Wow. walking here, where at high tide, I would be about 3 meters under the surface. The difference between tides here is quite incredible, and it fascinates me. I guess that's why I'm here. And also the sand here, because the tide is in and out, is very firm, very easy to walk on. But yeah, I guess I just gotta walk up that hill. See that one? I gotta get up there now. So I am becoming accustomed to these conditions. Down to just me jersey, no beanie, nothing, and I'm quite warm. He wasn't. I'm quite warm, as I say. He wasn't. Like a local without a jacket for the very first time in Ireland. Like a local.
Ireland, however, would have the last laugh, as this imbecile got the flu the very next day.